Banana tree's edible parts other than banana. From history, one thing is certain. All animals, including humans, only try different foods when poverty and hunger strike. It is during these desperate times that food innovation emerges. When nothing else is available, people are forced to eat whatever is at hand, leading them to discover new ways to satiate their hunger. In this article, we will explore one such approach. Overview of the banana fruit. The banana, a universally loved fruit, is a staple in many households across the globe. Its sweet taste, convenient packaging, and nutritional benefits make it a popular choice for breakfast, snacks, and even desserts. But did you know that there are other edible parts of the banana tree that can add a unique touch to your culinary adventures? Let's explore these lesser-known treasures and discover the amazing flavors they have to offer. Lesser-known edible parts of the banana tree. While the banana fruit takes the spotlight, the banana tree itself has several other parts that are not only edible but also delicious. These parts include the banana flower, banana stem, banana leaves, and even the banana peel. Each of these parts brings its own distinct taste, texture, and nutritional benefits to the table. Let's dive into the world of these lesser-known edible parts and explore how they can enhance your cooking experience. Banana flower, a culinary delight. One of the most intriguing edible parts of the banana tree is the banana flower, also known as the banana blossom. This large, purple bud can be found at the end of a cluster of bananas and is a staple in many Southeast Asian cuisines. With its slightly bitter taste and meaty texture, the banana flower adds a unique flavor profile to dishes. It is often used in salads, curries, or even as a topping for pizzas. To prepare the banana flower, the outer layers are carefully peeled away to reveal the tender inner petals. These petals can be sliced or shredded and used in various recipes. The banana flower is a great source of vitamins A and C, as well as dietary fiber. Its health benefits, combined with its delicious taste, make it a must-try ingredient for culinary enthusiasts. Cooking with banana stems. Another part of the banana tree that is often enjoyed is the tender inner stem, known as the banana stem or banana pith. This part of the tree is low in calories, high in fiber, and has a mild flavor that pairs well with a variety of ingredients. The banana stem can be added to stir-fries, soups, or even pickled for a tangy and crunchy snack. To prepare the banana stem, the outer layers are peeled away to reveal the soft, fibrous core. The core is then sliced and soaked in water to remove any bitterness. Once prepared, it can be cooked in a variety of ways, adding a unique texture and taste to your dishes. The banana stem is not only delicious but also loaded with nutrients such as potassium, calcium, and vitamin B6. Part of the root, the tuber of the banana tree. The tuber of the banana tree is not only used in curries but also has the potential to be cooked in a way that will leave us wanting more. A skilled chef will know how to bring out its flavors and make it truly irresistible. Nutritional value of banana leaves. While not directly edible, banana leaves play an essential role in cooking and serving various dishes. In many cultures, banana leaves are used as natural food wrappers, imparting a subtle, earthy flavor to the food. They are commonly used to steam, grill, or bake a wide range of dishes, including tamales, rice cakes, and even desserts. Apart from their culinary uses, banana leaves also have several health benefits. They contain polyphenols, which have antioxidant properties, and are rich in vitamins A and C. Additionally, the leaves can be used as natural plates or serving platters, adding an eco-friendly touch to your meals. Banana peel recipes and uses. While most people discard banana peels without a second thought, they are actually quite versatile and can be used in various ways. Banana peels are packed with nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, making them a valuable addition to your diet. Plus, they add an interesting twist to your culinary creations. One popular use for banana peels is in smoothies. They can be blended with other fruits and vegetables to create a nutritious and flavorful drink. Banana peels can also be used in baking, where they add moisture and a subtle banana flavor to breads, muffins, and cakes. Additionally, they can be stir-fried, pickled, or even used as a meat substitute in vegan cooking. Traditional and cultural significance of banana tree parts. In addition to their culinary uses, banana tree parts hold significant cultural and traditional value in many societies. In some cultures, the banana flower is considered an auspicious symbol and is used in religious ceremonies and rituals. The banana stem is also highly regarded for its medicinal properties and is used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. The use of banana leaves as food wrappers dates back centuries and is deeply rooted in many cultures. They are often used in festive occasions and celebrations, symbolizing abundance, prosperity, and togetherness. The versatility and symbolism associated with banana tree parts make them an integral part of cultural heritage. Incorporating banana tree parts into your diet. Now that you're aware of the various edible parts of the banana tree and their culinary potential, it's time to incorporate them into your diet. Start by exploring local markets or specialty stores that offer banana flowers, banana stems, and banana leaves. Experiment with different recipes and cooking techniques to unlock the unique flavors and textures they offer. Consider adding banana flowers to your salads or curries for a delightful twist. Try stir-frying banana stems with your favorite vegetables or pickling them for a tangy snack. And don't forget to explore the creative possibilities of banana peels in your smoothies, baking, or savory dishes. The possibilities are endless, and your taste buds will thank you for the culinary adventure. Conclusion. While bananas are undoubtedly delicious and nutritious, the banana tree has much more to offer than just its fruit. The banana flower, banana stem, root tuber, banana leaves, and even the banana peel all bring their own unique flavors, textures, and nutritional benefits to the table. Exploring these lesser-known edible parts opens up a world of culinary possibilities and allows you to experience the full potential of the banana tree. So, the next time you have a banana tree in your backyard or spot one at a local market, be sure to venture beyond the bananas themselves and discover the amazing tastes that await you. If you're following a plant-based diet, these tips may be of interest to you. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.